Back in action, we're back in the action, boys, and I gotta start off by saying I'm very humbled to do this video that we're about to do. You know, not many people get this opportunity. You hear that kid that knew me back in high school that figured out every girl I was trying to get but would get to them first? Look at me now, bitch. Anyway, man, before we get into the explanation of this video, I have actually a quick unboxing for you guys, seeing as though this is a Trippie Redd video. You guys can see it by the title. I bought something for you guys. Now, I want to do this right off the bat real quick for you guys, because I've been super excited. Shoot, I just cut my table. I made that in school. Good thing I'm an expert at fixing things. I think I'll be able to do it well. Anyway, as you guys know, Trippie Redd just released a new album, and with that, online he dropped a couple autographs actually that you could buy. They're lithographs, and all they costed was $10. So what I did for you guys, I got one for myself, but I have a record coming in with it. It's not here yet, but I got, oh, these are sweet. So I got you guys 2 lithographs of Trippie Redd right here, Big 14, as y'all can see with the album cover. So if you guys want one of these, all you guys gotta do is leave a thumbs up, comment down below, then my Instagram's right on the screen. I also cut my finger with that damn thing. No more saws. Also, leave me a message on Instagram saying you did all that with a follow. That would be great, and you guys could win one of these lithographs. Once again, they were only 10 bucks, but I feel like if you were to find it on eBay, be a lot more. Just wanted to get that for you guys right there. We're super stoked. You guys know I like rapper autographs, so I had to get you one too. Also, comment down below what your favorite song on that album is. To be honest, I really like Immortal, I think it's called, with The Game. I think he absolutely killed that. The two together was dope. Anyway, let's get on to this video. So this is kind of cool, man, because as y'all can tell by the title, we are unboxing a Trippie Redd chain that we've never unboxed before, and to be honest, this is probably one of my top 3 chains I have ever seen a rapper have. Just because it's so creative. As you guys can see, boom, it's right there. I just think it's a dope idea. I dig the guy's style. It's weird and goth and stuff. Could I get away with it? Absolutely not. I'm white. I guess that makes me get away with it more. I don't know. I just like a douche. Not like that. But anyway, we're gonna unbox that today. Now, here's the story behind it, man. Pretty much, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, Trippie Redd pretty much sent this to us. Now here's kind of how it went down. As far as I'm concerned, Trippie Redd sent me this chain, and I'll explain why, and you guys will agree after, I guarantee you. The company that sent me this chain, I guess, worked with Trippie Redd in making some merch of his chain. And as you guys know, obviously the 8-ball chain we just talked about, the real dope one. Now obviously this company talked with Trippie Redd's camp and went back and forth, kind of thinking, who's the right guy to show this off on the web for the first time ever? Obviously, and I can only speculate, Trippie Redd said NameBran. There's this guy on YouTube, he needs to do it, he's the right man, that's it. Of course, after that, they don't argue with him, or even maybe it was the company's idea. I don't know. However you think about it though, they thought I was the right man for the job, and I'm gonna take this and I'm going to roll with it in the best way that I can, even though I'm on 2 cups of coffee. I did a little bit of that and I got a ginger beer right here, so I'm not really on the right track of doing a good job. Anyway, what I'm saying, man, is we're unboxing this chain for the first time. Now, I talked to them, and apparently it's just the pendant, just the 8-ball pendant. So what I actually purchased myself, I waited for this to come in, and I purchased this off eBay that I'm gonna open up right now, because if you guys look at the picture, that's the chain that has to be attached to it. I'm assuming when people actually buy this, they're just gonna use a regular chain. I want it to be as close as possible, so what that chain reminded me of, oh, this is real nice. This is real nice. This is the XXX Tentacion chain that you guys have seen him wear numerous times. So obviously it just clips like this, and then you attach the 8-ball down here. So I just purchased this so we could kind of have the full overall look of this. Even though it doesn't come with this, I really wanted to get it as close as possible. But without further ado, let's get into this chain. No, I'm not being paid to say this. I'm only actually going to say the company's name once in this video because they've been curving me a lot. It was really hard to get, you know, in contact with them. So they're the ones that decided to bring out gangsta NameBran, not me. No, but I'm serious about that. They're getting one shout out and one shout out only. It has been a hassle, it's saying the very least, and I could be charging for this. Anyway, let's get into this. This is big. This is big. I want to give a big thank you to Trippie Redd, obviously, and his whole crew, his family, his friends, just for this experience and this opportunity. Also, the company, I'm saying it one time, Based Out Legends. Shout out to them for hooking it up. So, if you guys don't notice, actually, I'm going a little fast in this video. Oh, damn, it comes with a box. Okay, cool. I'm going a little fast because we're actually bringing something back that we haven't done in about 2 years on this channel after this unboxing, because I got a lot of things to discuss with you guys. But anyway, As we can see right here, we got the logo. Oh man, this is a great box. I honestly thought it might be a little bigger because it is an 8-ball, right? So what I'm looking at right now is probably a small ball. And we all know NameBran got big balls. Damn, this is crazy. So here's the box for itself, boys. I'm not mad at that. This is actually great for thumbnails too, you know what I mean? Just like me holding this, people are gonna be like, wow, there's something fancy in there. That's a fact. And then I put a little question mark blocking it. Great. As y'all could, oh wow. We got the Trippie Redd 8-ball pendant right here. This is crazy. Obviously at the back it is hollow, but I am actually surprised that they did a full circle on this. A lot of companies skimp out and they just cut it off in half so it sits flush on your stomach like that. But this is real nice, man. Boom, once again, not sponsored, nor do I care too much about this company right now. The one thing I was thinking is obviously, yeah, it's a little bit smaller as you boys know, but if they're gonna sell it as merch, right, who wants a big ass 8-ball like this on their stomach when it's not even real? And then you're gonna have to pay at least $500 because these companies gotta mark you up like insane. I think this one was like 75 probably or something like that. But that's the piece, real iced out. I'm real glad to add this into our collection of videos for rapper chains. What I really want to see now is how it actually looks on this chain. That looks awful. You can't even hang the damn thing because it's gonna turn to the gold side. I get it now. I get it now. I think what you're supposed to do is just wear a regular chain, because that looks god awful. You guys let me know what you think. Here's the thing, man. Here's why I'm not giving them lots of shout out right now. This one I actually purchased online because they have been curving me forever on actually sending it. Now apparently it's in the mail because they ran out of stock. But when they told me they ran out of stock, that's when I purchased this. I'm like, you're lying. So nonetheless, sorry, I didn't think I was gonna put this company on blast. Nonetheless, apparently it's coming now. So I'm gonna give away that one to you guys once it comes. I had to purchase this one because I wanted to do this video sooner than later because I actually have a schedule that I want to follow. Work with me, screw me, don't take me out to dinner. I get it. That totally makes sense. So anyway, that's what we got. I will not be giving this one away because I might use it in another like outfit video or something like that. Anyway, that's it for this portion of the video. Now we're bringing something back that's been a long time coming. And welcome to Chill with NameBran, boys. So this is a series that we haven't done, or like a little segment on the end of videos that we haven't done for a while. Now how it goes is pretty much we do this to get to 10 minutes to make more money, obviously, and the video gets shared more if it's at 10 minutes. YouTube does that. But also, it's like when I want to talk about a subject. So pretty much this is uncut, uncircumcised for my editing pleasures, your viewing pleasures. If I say anything that's going to end me up in jail, you know, I got to keep it in because that's the rules. So, also I have a little bit of medicine and get pretty loose, so I know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? Also, I only do that for my Tourette's. It makes it a little bit better. Hey, if you guys want a video on that, that could be funny. That could be a pretty fun video if you guys didn't know I have Tourette's. So anyway, one thing I wanted to talk about, I've been wanting to do a Chill with NameBran forever. I've just been waiting for a video that's not 10 minutes, so it makes sense. Is this damn, y'all know I'm into Bigfoots, man. Y'all know I'm into UFOs. The government just released the fact that they have footage, and this has been wide footage. People have seen it on the internet for a while. They have that footage that they've always claimed as, yo, yeah, we know what that is. That's just our planes. They claim that they're not, bruh. You know what they're saying? Those are unidentified to them. You know what that means? Unidentified, what is it? It's a flying object, UFO. So, I didn't really think about what I want to talk about with this, but my mind's blown. Because this is the very first piece of information, and they're going to be letting it out to us very slow from now on. This is a very first piece of information of them being like, yo, there's like stuff out there that we don't even know. We already know that, but the fact that they're like admitting it now, I think is really crazy. So I'm really wondering what's gonna happen next. What's the next piece of evidence where they're like, hey, we should just like slide this out to them, let it simmer, you know what I mean? What's the next one after that? That's what I'm wondering. You guys let me know. Do you think these objects are from alien nature, or do you think that the US government just doesn't know that they're from Russia or something like that, which they would know. They would know that. So pretty much what they're saying is this is from another planet, and now they're gonna blow us up, or they're friendly. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know. I just think about this a lot, man. Also, I need Bigfoot proof too. I need Bigfoot proof because there's too many arguments I've gotten in of people saying the reason I'm dumb is because I believe in Bigfoot, and I agree for now, until you guys get proof that that thing's real. I am, oh god, man, I might have had a little too much. Anyway, you guys let me know about that. I just really wanted to discuss that. Also, any other facts you have down below of it. If you guys listen to Blink-182, this is one thing you need to, you know, Blink-182, the band, the singer, you gotta listen to some interviews with him and Joe Rogan. He sounds like a nut, and he is a nut, regardless if his facts are right or not. He's just weird. But he's got a really, really interesting company that deals with like the UFO phenomenon and stuff like that. And a lot of weird things that he said on like certain podcasts are starting to kind of come out of like, yeah, he sounded nuts, but he's actually quite correct. So I really want to rewatch some of the stuff that he's done, the Joe Rogan podcast he did, and really learn about this a little more. But you guys let me know if you've heard of that. And if you haven't, I'm telling you, go check it out. Because we don't know how much of what he's saying is true or false. But I know he's been proven right so far with a lot of things. So I'm kind of like listening to him a little bit to figure out, man, like, is this the way I should kind of like start leaning my like what I kind of believe in? You know what I mean? Or do I just like not do that? Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to bring that out there. I don't really have much of a discussion about it. I just wanted to know if you guys had heard about that and what you think. I kind of want discussions down below about this whole UFO phenomenon, where it's going to go from here. I'm glad that we're here at this point, but I'm looking at like years in the future as they start to slip more in. What's next? Because right now, them admitting it is really big. Anyway. That's it, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. That's Chill with NameBran. You know, we just hang out, just talk about random stuff. Get it to 10 minutes. Helps us both. And if you guys want to watch, you watch. If not, you don't have to. I'm not shoving it down your throat because it's at the end of the video. Appreciate y'all. Making the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goods. Blow.